What if your flip phone suddenly had the screen size of a flagship? Today, I'm diving into the Galaxy Z Flip 7 rumors to find out if Samsung's next foldable is finally ditching that annoying crease for a massive, butter-smooth display upgrade. Let's see if this could be the game changer we've been waiting for. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is the next iteration in Samsung's line of innovative flip phones, and there's a lot of buzz around its potential features. One of the most exciting rumors is about a possible massive display upgrade. Could this be the game changer that takes the Galaxy Z Flip series to the next level? Previous Galaxy Z Flip models have been praised for their sleek design and impressive specs, but they've also had their limitations. One of the main drawbacks has been the display technology. While the screens have been great for a flip phone, they've often felt a bit cramped, especially when compared to larger smartphones on the market. This has led to some users feeling like they're sacrificing too much screen real estate for the sake of portability. The user experience has also been impacted by the smaller display. Watching videos or browsing the web has been a bit of a compromise, with the need to either zoom in and out or deal with a less than ideal viewing experience. And let's not forget about the crease, that noticeable fold in the screen that, while getting better with each iteration, still feels like a bit of a design flaw. Another limitation has been the lack of a seamless display experience. When you're using a phone that's meant to be compact and portable, you want it to feel like a cohesive unit, not like you're using a device that's been cobbled together. The crease and the overall design have sometimes made it feel like you're dealing with a phone that's still finding its footing. The Galaxy Z Flip series has always been about finding a balance between form and function, but it's clear that Samsung has been working hard to address these limitations. So, what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Rumors have been swirling about the Galaxy Z Flip 7's display upgrades, and they're getting pretty exciting. One of the most credible leaks suggests that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could come with a significantly larger display. We're talking about a potential increase in screen size, possibly even rivaling some of the larger smartphones on the market. The resolution is also expected to get a boost, which would make for a much crisper and more vibrant viewing experience. The tech behind the display is also said to be getting an upgrade. Samsung has been working on new OLED technology that's even more efficient and longer-lasting than before. This could mean that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 not only has a bigger and better display, but also one that's more sustainable and less prone to burn-in. Some leaks also suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might feature a new type of folding display that's even more seamless than before. Imagine a phone that folds and unfolds without any noticeable crease or interruption. It's an exciting prospect, to say the least. But what really caught my attention is the possibility of a full-screen experience, without any interruptions. If the Galaxy Z Flip 7 can deliver on that promise, it could be a total game changer. The most exciting piece of information I've come across is that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might just offer a virtually crease-free display. Imagine being able to use your phone without any distractions, whether you're watching a video, browsing your social media, or just chatting with friends. That's the kind of innovation that could really set the Galaxy Z Flip 7 apart from its competitors. If this rumor turns out to be true, it would mark a significant step forward for the Galaxy Z Flip series. No longer would users have to compromise on display quality or deal with annoying creases. The implications for user experience are huge, and it could seriously challenge the status quo in the smartphone market. This upgrade could also pave the way for more innovative uses of foldable technology. Imagine being able to use your phone in ways that were previously impossible, like taking selfies with a group of friends, without having to worry about the screen getting in the way. The potential for a massive display upgrade on the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is certainly exciting, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll have to wait and see what Samsung officially announces. That being said, the rumors and leaks are definitely pointing towards something big. To recap, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could come with a significantly larger display, improved resolution, and even a virtually crease-free design. These upgrades could make for a much better user experience and seriously challenge the competition. What do you guys think about the potential display upgrade on the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Are you excited about the possibility of a larger, crisper display? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more tech updates and rumors, be sure to check out my other videos.